How to create group chat on Insta. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can create a group chat on Instagram. So first let's open up our Instagram application, and then once you're inside the home page you need to click onto this message option. So now here we are inside the message option. Now currently you can see that I have not messaged anyone, so let us message some random people and check how we can add them into a particular group. So let me message some of the random accounts. So for example, as you can see, I have messaged this account, so it will now appear in my chat. And now let me also choose some another page as well. So let me message Instagram itself. So I'm gonna go to messages and then message them again like previously. So now they will be appearing in my message tabs, and now I have two chats like this. So let me show you how we can add both of them into a same group. So in order to do that, simply tap and hold on to a particular chat, but that won't be giving me the option because it has been shifted. So what you're gonna do is that you will need to actually open that particular chat and then go to their profile, and once you will do that you will see an option that says create a group chat. So click onto this create a group chat, and then from here you can search for some other person. So from here you can add another person, so you can simply type in their name, and you can see that they can't be added unless you follow them. So some of the people you can add to chat, whereas some you can't add to the chat. So let us search for something other. Let's say Nat Geo Animals. And now once I have done adding the recipients, I'm gonna click on create group chat, and now you can see that I have successfully created a group chat in Instagram. So that's how easily you can create a group chat. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful and nice day ahead.